If you're new to this series, this is the 1900 mill house that we purchased to restore. And there have been a lot of changes as we took this entire chimney down in order to vault the roof and have a clear sight line to the back. And don't worry, it was a non-functioning fireplace, so any character we lost, we're gonna be adding back with the even prettier fireplace along the wall. The kitchen was the last room to gut, and once we completed gutting it, it was time to rip up the floor because the entire joist system was rotten. And then once the floor was pulled up, we were really able to see all the damage. And this guy, he's just framing up for our new windows because we think it's really important in this house, since everything going in is new, that it's as energy efficient as possible. Here's the new roof. And after we put the new roof on it, we decided to rip all this wall out. It was rotten, but we're also gonna add an addition. Then the porch was completely rotten as well. So we jacked it up and we replaced the entire floor system on the deck of the porch. And we put all new pressure treated wood, so now you're caught up. All right, guys, so let's check in on the project of our 1900 mill house. It's been a while since I've done a little update, and a lot has changed. Look, we've got a completely brand new porch. We've still got to put some railings. We got to pull all this down and then replace it with new beadboard. That's going away. We're gonna put a sconce here. We've got new windows going in. This door will be restored. We'll restore the door and it'll go on the back of the house, and I've got a nice stain door going on the front. All right, so we're down to the studs. All of these are going away. So we got permission from our engineer to put a ridge beam in, and then we'll put king studs down, and they will be anywhere there's piers at the bottom of the house. We'll put them there. And these bedrooms will have standard ceilings. We're not changing this footprint. That's the bathroom is staying. That'll have a nice, beautiful cast iron tub. This will be like, kids, and we just want a tub in the house because we envision a family living here. So we'll have a tub and vanity and all that stuff. Other bedroom, this will be our master. So it's a 2-bed, 2-bath. This will be the bathroom, laundry room, and like walk-in closet. So we've laid all our block for this extension, and we have permission to start framing. However, when we got over here, we realized we got to rip this whole wall out, and we got to lay all new block along this whole entire wall. So that's fun. This is our kitchen, and it's a big kitchen for a house this size. The floor has been completely rebuilt, this whole section. We put the sheeting down, but it's only temporary. And then we'll put our ceiling back. We'll have a big island here. And we're gonna put a giant stone wall across this wall. So that wall will continue this whole way. We're losing that window. And then that's gonna be a round window, kind of old school round looking window. What else? Let's see. But yeah, we got all our electrical's been pulled out. We got all new electrical coming in. I ordered all the wood for the siding. We're gonna replace all the siding. Clearly, we got to rebuild a lot of these studs. More than 50% is missing from there, so that's got to be rebuilt. Water heater, we're getting rid of it, and we're gonna have a tankless water heater so we can hide it in like a cabinet, and it's not just a water heater out in the open. Yeah, but this, and so when we do our extension, we're actually gonna have to do a flat roof here. So we're gonna really have to engineer it where it's gonna last a long time. But there wasn't much we could do about that. And then if you come outside, check it out. We pulled our chimney down, so we still gotta clean up those bricks. Those are the bricks I've started stacking so we can expand this walkway. We ripped down that garage. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna paint it black. And then we're gonna have market lights across it. And this will be a nice little barbecue area. And then we're gonna level all this. I'm gonna rent a mini excavator. We're gonna level all this, and then we'll pull that sump down. What else? That's pretty much it. So that's the update. Yeah, but we got all our utilities going in over the next couple weeks, and we should start putting this thing back together. And once we start sheetrocking, I can show you guys. Like some of the finishes we're doing, and they're going to be insane. And we've partnered with some really great companies, and it's going to be a showstopper of a house. Oh, we got to rip all this floor out. And I was able to find wood that matches exact, so we'll cover all that up. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll post an update after we finish the addition and put the floor back. So